Hi there, welcome to Paper Zen. I made these activity boxes and then I customized them with a name. I cut the names out of silver glitter vinyl and then I made a background to help it stand out more and have more of a shadow bubbly effect. It's easy to do this by using the offset feature in Cricut Design Space. Let me show you how quick it is. So using the text tool here, I've already gone ahead and typed out the name Bella. And the font that I happen to be using right now is called Style Script. So before we get started, I just want to quickly change this color to a light gray so I can show you something about this text here. You can see how the letters here, if you were to cut this, each letter would be individual. So instead of doing it that way, I'm actually going to ask it to combine. So I'm going to unite the letters. Now you can see how there's no line in between those letters. So now this is all going to be one shape. So up here in the offset tool, you can see that the default setting here is 1/4 of an inch. So I'm just going to change that to 1/8 of an inch because I don't want too much of a bubble. You can see how it just kind of reduced that bubble around those letters, the outline. I'm going to hit apply. And we can see it created this bigger balloon shape around the name Bella. And then I'm going to touch this contour button here, and I'm going to ask this shape to disappear because I don't need that part to be cut out. And now we can cut those shapes out. Okay, so we've got our name cut out of vinyl lettering here, and we've got the bubble offset cut out of cardstock here. I'm going to apply some vinyl transfer film on top of my name. Give it a good rub, pick up all that lettering. I'm just going to apply the vinyl against my desk along the top here, just so that it lets me kind of hold it up in the air like this. And this lets me move the background anywhere I want. Now, I've seen a lot of people apply the lettering right in the middle of the background, but actually I'm just going to off shift it a little bit to the upper left. And that's just going to give a little bit more room to the bottom right, and it just kind of gives it that kind of shadowy effect that I'm going for. Okay, so now that I see what I like, I'm going to give it a good rub and take off my transfer film. And now you can apply this to any of your projects. And if your cutting mats are losing their stickiness, watch this video next for an easy way to give them new life and save some money.